Hello YouTubers, it's Mike back with another video. Beautiful day here finally in Western New York. I just wanted to give you a glimpse of my new little project I put up on the wall for cleaning the cars and pressure washing in general. Spring here in Western New York, as you can see, the garage is terrible. The leaves from last fall and road grit from the snow removal guys in the winter. So I watched a few videos on YouTube and I come up with a plan that I wanted to do. And for all this, I'm going to leave you the links in the description. But basically, it's just a short video. I went out and bought on Amazon, I got the Karcher, and it's a cube. You see that, owner's manual for it. I guess it's a K1700, K1700. But made a real simple wall mount for it next to my garden hose. This way you got to put up with tangled up hose and everything. So what I did was I bought this shelf from Amazon. Nice stainless steel food grade shelf, I guess. And I bought the hose reel with an extra 50 foot of the hose. That's 1/4 inch hose for the smaller washer. And come with a wand with the washer and of course the Karcher. So I made a little board up for the wall to go from stud to stud so it's, you know, heavy enough to support the washer on it. And I just screwed that to the wall. And I made a mess of, I just put some screws in it to hold extra quick couplings and the extra tips in that, and down here the soap tip and 15-degree tip, and there are extra wands for the hose for the wife. But and I can screw more holes in there to put more goodies in there as you want and see fit. But now it's super easy. The hose reel comes out and it's got a lock on it right over here, so you can reel it out or just kind of take and reel it back in. And once you want it locked, just lock it up and go from there. I just made something I had recycled for holding the hose down below. But it works very good. It just got done doing a wife's car before she took off with it, and works real good. But like I say, I'll link everything in the description down here so you know where I got it and how much it was and whatnot. But it was a pretty decent little mod, and I gotta say, the hose reel came with everything. The quick couplings, and I was really impressed with the hardware and everything that come with it. The only thing that I had to do was I had to make up a little piece of old garden hose. I put new ends on it, run it down to put a Y on my water outlet there, because I got one piece of the hose going to the regular water hose and one to that. But that's the only other thing it needed. So the washer comes with a 15-degree, a soap, and a turbo nozzle, and it works fairly well for a 1700 PSI washer. I got a 4,000 gas one in the shop, but this works pretty good for all we want to do. But anyway, just wanted to give you a short little demo on it and how I did it. I just mounted the reel to the wall on another piece of board down here and screwed it on, and then lagged it to the wall. So everything, I mean, you can do chin-ups on this stuff. I mean, it's pretty heavy. So anyway, that's it. Mike from YouTube, appreciate it if you give it a like and subscribe to our channel as we're trying to grow it, and check out some other useful or useless videos we got on there. We also have a lot of tractor pulling, blown mini rod videos we post up. So appreciate it if you'd follow along and subscribe. And other than that, have a great day and a great spring. Thank you. Thanks for watching.